Welcome to this brief introduction to the U.S. National Science Foundation's Access Program. My name's Joel Adams. Let's jump right in. What is Access? It's your on-ramp for using computational, storage, and network resources from the U.S. NSF-funded cyber infrastructure research ecosystem. You can visualize Access as the user interface between you, the user, and various machines that make up the NSF-funded cyber infrastructure. What kinds of machines are available? There are machines for conducting various kinds of research, including supercomputers that have lots of CPUs and GPUs, big data systems designed for storing and processing huge data sets, cloud systems that are configured for running containers or virtual machines, such as Docker, Kubernetes, VMware, etc., special purpose machines, such as those designed for training or running artificial intelligence models, or machines designed for running programs that require a composable architecture. There are also advanced network resources for researchers who build and study high-performance networks. This map is slightly dated, but it illustrates how the U.S. national cyber infrastructure systems are spread across the country. Access provides a centralized interface to these systems. For this playlist, the word resources means computing systems available via Access. The institutional homes of those systems are called resource providers. For example, ACES and Launch are supercomputers located at Texas A&M. Anvil is a supercomputer at Purdue. Bridges 2 and NeoCortex are at the Pittsburgh Supercomputing Center, and so on. These are just a few of the systems available through Access. A project is research that can benefit from an Access resource. Credits are generic currency units that you can exchange with a resource provider to use their resource for a period of time. An allocation request is a short proposal in which you describe your project and how many credits you wish to request. An allocation, then, is an approved allocation request. So how do you go about using Access? The first step is to obtain an Access account. Second, look through the available resources and determine which one is best for your research project. Third, complete an allocation request, which provides you with credits. Fourth, after the allocation request is approved, exchange your credits for time or storage on a resource. Fifth, log into the resource and begin using it for your research. Steps 1 through 4 are largely one-time steps. Subsequent presentations in this playlist will walk you through them. By contrast, you can do step 5 repeatedly once you have your allocation. To get started, the Access user portal, access-ci.org, provides your entry point to the system. Thank you for your interest in Access and for watching this presentation.